you going, guys? It's Tom here from Sweeney Hire again. Today we're going to show you how to unload one of our 1.8 ton mini excavators. This is the Kobelco SK17SR model. So first, this machine actually comes with 5 points of contact for your strapping. So you have 2 at the front, 2 at the back, and then 1 just strapping in the buckets on the front. So we can get started with the front straps here. Usually what I do, just to make it a little bit easier, I'll disconnect the straps from the digger and leave the other end on the trailer itself. That just makes it a little bit easier for when you're loading. Again, when you're finished with the machine and packing up in the evening time, so just take it off those things there and just fold them over the side of the trailer. Go to the bucket. Same again, we can take it off here and then take it off the point of contact on the digger, just like that. Just make sure that that's out of the way, you're not going to be tracking over anything when you're taking the machine off the trailer. Same with that one and that one, like so. Then we can go for startup. Basically, these machines are equipped with a safety device. So basically, the machine, if you turn the key in the machine, it'll go on to the ignition mode. But when these levers here are down to safety, it actually won't allow you to start the machine. So just to ensure that one of these 2 levers is actually up before you turn the key, and when you turn the key then to go start, the ignition will fire up then. When these levers are down, that gives the power to your levers up here and to your tracking gear down the bottom.